Hi dear grade 12 students. Today we're going to do lessons 33 and 34 in collocations. 33 is titled or entitled Taste. Let's begin this lesson by looking at the commonly confused words taste and flavor. The word taste is often used as a verb, so you can say that a food tastes good or tastes bad. If you want to be a little more extreme in your description, you can say that a food tastes divine or a food tastes heavenly for an extremely good taste, or tastes gross or disgusting for an extremely bad taste. Another expression is it tastes funny. That means it tastes unusual with a negative connotation. You don't like it very much. For example, this milk tastes funny. It might be past its expiration date. It's very commonly to say that something tastes like something else. I had frog's legs once, they tasted like chicken. The word flavor is typically used as a noun. We can say something has a nutty, fruity, cheesy, minty, or salty flavor. To compare the flavor to another food, nuts, fruit, cheese, you can also use the word taste as a noun. For example, this wine has a fruity taste or a fruity flavor. So both words, taste and flavor, can be used as nouns, but the word flavor can be used as a verb. Flavors or tastes can also be described by category or by the sensation they cause in your mouth. A bitter flavor, like the taste of coffee, a sour taste, a sweet taste. When you enjoy the taste of something and want to keep it in your mouth for a long time, we say you savor the taste. Savor the taste. You enjoy it and want to keep it in your mouth for a long time. If a food has a lot of flavor, then it can be described as strong or rich. The strong flavor of garlic, the rich flavor of chocolate. When the level of flavor is low, it is a mild flavor or a subtle flavor. Silent B, a subtle flavor. Both of these words have a positive connotation, mild or subtle. This cheese has a nice mild flavor, or the subtle flavor of ginger adds a nice touch to the marinade. The expression bland taste or bland flavor is a way to describe food with little flavor, with a negative connotation. For example, these crackers have such a blunt flavor that it feels like I'm snacking on cardboard. Imagine you are snacking on cardboard. This is something negative, a negative connotation. There are some foods that people usually don't enjoy the first time they try them, but with time people learn to like the flavor. A food like this can be described as an acquired taste. An acquired taste. Let's move on. Lesson 34, and there will be a quiz on both lessons together. Statistics. First, let's clarify the difference between number and amount. We use number with countable nouns and amount with uncountable nouns. A large number of people, I can say 10 people, 100 people, and so on. But we say a massive amount of damage. We can't count damage. A significant number of countries, we can count countries. A considerable amount of money, we cannot count the word money. We can say one money, two monies, and so on. This is not English. A tiny number of computers, we can count computer. A minuscule amount of alcohol, we can't count alcohol. Numbers and statistics can increase or decrease. The sound here is sah, not za. Increase in both nouns and verbs. Increase as a noun, increase as a verb. Decrease as a noun, decrease as a verb. Or rise or fall. Rise, increase, fall, decrease. Or go up and go down. Go up, increase, go down, decrease. This is more informal. When a number goes up or down very fast, we can describe this as sharp or dramatic. For example, the sudden improvement in the economy has resulted in a dramatic drop in unemployment as a sharp rise in consumer spending. Dramatic drop, sharp rise, dramatic drop, sharp rise. When a number goes up or down slowly, we can talk about a gradual increase in population or a slow decline. Slow decline, decline when it goes down in the number of violent crimes. And if a number doesn't change, then it remains steady or remains constant. It remains steady or remains constant. And you guys need this language to write a report in IELTS Task 1, academic writing, Task 1 in IELTS. You need such language. We use the word widespread to describe something that is happening frequently in many places. For example, there being widespread dissatisfaction with the government, or a new book winning widespread acclaim in the literary world. A hurricane can cause widespread damage, and a presidential candidate can have widespread support among voters of a certain demographic area. In conversational English, we often use the structure keep doing, keep running, keep speaking, and so on, to describe something that happens frequently. For example, I'm trying to work, but my colleagues keep interrupting me. Why do you keep asking me about the problem? I've told you 1,000 times, sorry, I don't know how to solve it. This is the end of lesson 34, and we have a quiz here. Choose the best word to complete this opinion. Letter in a magazine. Take your time, do the quiz, and send it to me via Messenger as usual. Thank you.